Hello students, welcome back to the class. Today we'll be talking about various options of chapter number 7, and in our previous class we have talked about the options like font group and various options within that. That means how to change the font style, font color, how to make it bold, how to add some colors in the cells, and also how to change the text color. So all those were options, and also how to add borders, how to apply border, how to draw border, how to customize it as well. So today we will be talking about the alignment options of the alignment options of our text, the orientation options, and the other options within alignment group. So the first is alignment option. So for that also we have to select the range of cells before applying, and next we have to come to the home tab again. Okay, and within that you will find out this alignment group. So the first topics, as I have told, alignment. Now what is alignment? Alignment means the placement of our text, where we are trying to place it, to the left, in the center, to the right. Okay, all these are related to the alignment options. So here this alignment option is subdivided into two parts. The first one is vertical alignment and the next one is horizontal alignment. So for vertical alignment, it will talk about the placement of our text vertically. That means if you want to place it to the top, in the center, or at the bottom. So that is vertical alignment. And horizontal alignment, we all know, that means left alignment, center alignment, and right alignment. So let's come to this group, and these 6 are the alignment options. So first 3 are for vertical alignments, that means at the top, in the middle, at the bottom. So one by one, let's apply it. This is the top alignment. This is the middle alignment. This is the bottom alignment. So for top alignment, our data is placed at the top of each and every cell, and for middle alignment, by the name we can understand that the data is placed in the middle, and for bottom alignment it is placed at the bottom. So these 3 are vertical alignments. Next, horizontal alignments. So for that we all know left alignment, which is the default one, and next is center alignment, and third is right alignment. So if we will apply the middle alignment and the center alignment, so our data will be placed just in the middle of each and every cell. Okay, so these are about alignments. So within the alignment group, the next topic is orientation of our text. So what does it mean? Orientation means how you are changing the angles of your text within a cell. That means it is connected to the angles of our text. So let's come to this. This is said to be orientation option, and let's click this drop down. Yes, this is the list of orientations. The first is angle, that is anti-clockwise. Next is angle again, which is clockwise, and next is vertical text, then rotate text to upward and rotate text down, and last is format cell alignment. So we will come to the last option later. So one by one let's apply. So I will not at all apply this option to all the cells here. So let's apply to this particular cell. Okay, this one. Okay, so let's come to the first. This is the anti-clockwise. This is clockwise. This is vertical. This is rotate text top. So you can understand that these options are new to us because these were not present in PowerPoint or Word. Okay, so Excel we can do it. Now let's come to format cell alignment. So this dialog box, from here we can customize the angle. Okay, if you want to make it 20 degree, 15 degree, 30 degree, that is up to you. You have to mention it here only. Okay, if you will make it 0, that means 0 degree. Okay, And if you want to make it like 20, let's make all the headings to like 20 degree. Okay, yes, that's how. So we can understand that these options are not applied for all the data. Yes, sometimes we apply it for our headings, and also if you want to highlight any data, then you can apply these options. Okay, that means orientation options. Okay, so next we will talk about another option within alignment group, that is wrap text. So to understand it, let's add or insert a row. Yes, now I will write the name of our school. So you can see that the data, whatever I have written, it is not fit to the cell capacity. Okay, it is exceeding, right? So for that, if you want to fit to that cell, what you have to do, you have to select the cell and then you have to click wrap text. So the data will be fit to that cell. Okay, so that is wrap text option. Okay, next option is merge and center. Not only merge and center, it is about merging the cells. Okay, we have 4 options in this list. Merge and center, the first one, that means whenever you will apply it, you will see the selected cells are merged and the data is placed just in the center. Next is merge across, that means for this option the cells will be definitely merged but the data will be placed in the left hand side or wherever it was placed. It will not be placed in the center after merging. Next, merge cells, that means it will just merge the selected cells into one. And next is unmerged cells, that means whenever you will apply it, the merged cells will be divided into the different cells. Okay, so let's select the range of cell that we want to merge. Okay, and let's come to this list. So first is merge and center. Let's apply. See, the cells are merged and the data is placed in the center, though it was left aligned, okay, beforehand, but now it is placed in the center. So again I am unmerging and again I am showing the another option, okay, making it to the left hand side, that means left aligned. Again coming to merge across. So for merge across, we will see that cells are merged but the data is in the left hand side. Yes, this is only merging. Okay, and next up is definitely this is merge cells, that means the cells will be merged and that's it. And unmerging cells, that means it will be unmerged. Okay, so these are the options for merging the cells. Now next option is indentation. Indentation means what? First of all is what is alignment? Alignment means, as I have told, that the placement of our data, and indentation is the distance of our data. Okay, always remember indentation means the distance of our data. So here for Excel, the distance is from cell border, the distance of our text from cell border. Okay, so let's select the range of cells to apply this option, and we have 2 indentation, left indentation and right indentation. So this is the right indentation, that means the data is placed, it is moved towards the right hand side, and this is left indentation, that means the distance is decreased towards the left hand side, and we can increase and decrease, that is according to our choice. So these are the different options within alignment group, and next step we will be talking about this number group and the more options we will talk about. Okay, so till then, bye bye, take care and practice at home. And if you are having any doubt, write in the comment section and practice. That means create your own worksheets, apply all these options. If you are having any trouble, then feel free to contact with me Okay, see you in the next class. Bye. Take care of your health. Bye.